excited about the new community garden. Garden she plant a variety of vegetables in the small bed. She was
allotted.
Come to great care of her garden. She watered it every day and once a week pulled out all of the weeds. Soon the first of her vegetables were ready to be harvested. Some eagerly opened the gate to the community garden.
Skunk, your dialogue.
I can't wait to put my carrots. I wonder how good they will be.
ઓકે પણ જરાક લાઉડ પ્લીઝ. ટ્રાય ટુ બી લાઉડર. બધાને સંભળાવું છે, મારો અવાજ બધાને સંભળાય. ચલો.
I can't wait to put my carrots. I wonder how big they will be.
ઓકે, આફ્ટર ધેટ I can't wait to pull my carrots. I wonder how big they will be. Narrator 2.
Some stood over her garden and looked at where her carrots had been planted. My carrots! Someone them! Skunk stopped out of the garden.
Stormed out એટલે હાલીને આમ પગ પછાડતું પછાડતું બારે જવાનું છે. યા લુક એટ હિમ. હા, ડુ ઇટ. ઓકે, રિપીટ. ચલો, નરેટર 1.
Later that day, Skunk went for a walk around the neighborhood.
નેબરહુડ.
By this time, her angel
લિસન, ઇટ્સ હિઝ ટર્ન. નક્ષ, વિવાન, ઇટ્સ યોર ટર્ન.
Later that day, Skunk went for a walk around the neighborhood. By this time, her anger had turned to
ટેક અ વોક. ટેક અ વોક. નહીં, ખાલી હવે નોર્મલી વોક કરવાનું.
She walked right past
રેબિટ. રેબિટ, કમ.
Hey, Skunk, you look fresh. Come up for some tea. Rabbit served Skunk a hot cup of tea as well as some freshly baked dessert. Have some nice carrot cake. I tried a new recipe.
હેવ સમ ઓફ માય કેરેટ કેક એટલે તમે પ્લેટમાં એને કેરેટ કેક આપો છો. ધેર શુડ બી ધેટ એક્શન. એક્શન કરો.
Have some of my carrot cake. I tried a new recipe.
અત્યારે મિનિમલ એક્શન્સ ચાલશે બિકોઝ યુ આર રીડિંગ એન્ડ સ્પીકિંગ, બટ વેન યુ આર ડુઈંગ ધ પ્લે યુ નીડ ટુ શો ધ એક્શન્સ.
Bite into the cake.
સ્કંક બીટ ઇન્ટુ ધ કેક. બીટ. ઓકે, બોલો હવે. સારું એક્સપ્રેશન વેન યુ ઈટ ઇટ. સારું, મજા આવી.
Delicious rabbit.
નરેટર 1.
Skunk and rabbit sat on rabbit's porch. Skunk's mood brightened ideas.
બ્રાઇટન્ડ ઇન્ડીડ.
Indeed. Your next day, Skunk whistled.
સ્કંક વિસલ્ડ. વિસલ્ડ એટલે સીટી મારવી.
The next day, Skunk whistled and she entered the community garden. She was carrying a bucket.
જીયા, કેરીંગ અ બકેટ. બકેટ, બકેટ. ડોલ, ડોલ, ડોલ કેમ ઉપાડો? હા, ઓકે. એક જ હાથેથી ડોલ ઉપાડવાની. હા, યા.
My tomatoes are just right. They'll be perfect in my salad.
Tonight. Salad tonight.
But songs show up as she started at her tomato plants.
As she stared at her tomato plants. My tomatoes? Someone picked them. એકદમ શોક કેમ કે તમારું કેરેટ્સ એ તમારા કોક લઈ ગયું, ટમેટોસ એ કોક લઈ ગયું. યુ નો ધ સ્ટોરી રાઈટ? સ્ટોરી કેવી છે એ? હા ઓકે ફાઇન ડન ચલો. ઓકે સ્ટાર્ટ. વાય યુ રીડિંગ ઇટ? યુ આર ધ મધર પિગ ને? નરેટર કોણ છે? તો કેમ? સ્ટાર્ટ રીડિંગ નાઉ.
Mother pig, first little pig, second little pig, and
એ કેમ વાંચો છો? They are the characters. આગળ છે ને આગળ આ વાળું હા આ પાર્ટ બોલવાનો છે. સ્ટાર્ટ ચલો.
Once upon a time, there lived three little pigs. One day, it was time of the three little pigs to go over into the
વાઇડ
wide
વર્લ્ડ.
world. Look out for big red wolf. The first little
લુક આઉટ કેમ કહેવાનું? લુક આઉટ ફોર ધ બિગ બેડ વુલ્ફ. કેમ કે યુ આર વોર્નિંગ યોર ચિલ્ડ્રન ધેટ ધેર ઇઝ અ વુલ્ફ આઉટસાઇડ. એનાથી બચીને રહેજો.
First little pig found of straw.
ફાઉન્ડ સમ સ્ટ્રો.
Found a straw.
સમ.
Some straw.
I'll build a house of straw. I can build it fast.
I built it.
તમે નરેટર છો નરેટર. જો લિસન આ નરેટર છે ને નરેટર એની નીચે જે લાઇન્સ લખેલી છે ને આ તમારી છે. પછી આ પાછું નરેટરની નીચે લાઈન છે તો એ તમારી છે. પાછી આ નરેટરની નીચે છે તો આ તમારે બોલવાની છે. I'll build a house of straw. I can build it fast.
The first little pig
Built
built the house quickly and was inside.
and went inside
For
lunch.
lunch.
1 minute huh? Okay, repeat. The first little pig
The first little pig
built
built the house
quickly
quickly and what
went inside
went inside of look
for lunch.
for lunch.
Meanwhile,
Meanwhile,
down the road,
down the road,
the second little pig
the second little pig
found
found
some
some
sticks. I'll build a house of sticks. This is stronger than straw and I can build it fast.
The second little pig built the house quickly and got inside for lunch.
Meanwhile,
Down the road, the third little pig found sticks.
some
Bricks.
third little pig.
Oh,
Oh, good. Bricks. I'll build a house of bricks.
good. Bricks. And
I will
I will
build a house of bricks.
build a house bricks.
It will be strong and safe.
And it will strong and safe.
Narrator,
Soon
soon
big bear wolf
Went
to the house of straw
He was hungry.
She was hungry.
I expect better from you.
Little pig.
વોલ્ફના અવાજમાં આઈ હેડ ટોલ્ડ યુ લાઉડલી આખી સ્કૂલને સંભળાવવું જોઈએ.
Little pig.
લાઉડલી લાઉડલી.
Little pig. Little pig.
લેટ મી કમ ઇન.
Let me come in.
લિટલ પિગ લેટ મી કમ ઇન. એવી રીતે.
Little pig. Let me come in.
Okay. No, not by the hair of my chinny chin chin. Then I will.
Then I will off and pop and blow your house in.
Okay, bus.
Little
Listen, 1 minute. Right now we are practicing the dialogues, but actions are important. Play actions વગર નથી.
Yes, ma'am. Once upon a time, a pig and a cat and a dog and a mouse and a little red hen lived together in a cozy little house.
Okay, continue. Narrator 2.
The pig liked to rest all day in the yard. The cat liked to sleep all day on the cat.
Couch. Couch એટલે સોફા.
The dog liked to make all day on the sunny day before. And the mouse liked to son all day in the work chair by the friends. Who will practice
1 minute. And the mouse liked to snooze all day in the warm chair by the fireside.
So the little red hen had to do all their housework.
Narrator 4. Henil છે. ધ્યાના, you don't have to say narrator's parts. What role do you have? You are the dog. ચલો. Narrator 1. So the little red hen. हाँ. So the little red hen had to do all the housework.
So the little red hen had to do all the housework. She cooked the meals and washed the dishes and made the beds. She
Swept.
swept the floor and washed the windows and made the floors.
Narrator.
She read the
She raked leaves,
leaves and
mowed
mowed the
grass,
grass and
hoed.
mowed the
Louder, Henil. Confident થઈને બોલો.
garden. One day, one she was out in the garden. She
Found
found
some
some
grains.
grains of one.
Wheat.
Who will plant this way? Like the little red hen.
Pig. Kushal. બોલો. Not I. બોલો not I.
Not I. Said the pig.
Legs down. This is not your home. બસ બેસો અહીંયા. બેડ ડાયલોગ્સ છે.
Said the pig. Not I. Said the cat. Not I. Said the dog. Not I. Said the mouse. Oh, mouse is not I.
Little red hen.
Then I will.
Very good.
Said the little red hen. And she did.
weeds. She
the
no listen, it's a mistake. She કાઢ નાખો. She કાઢ નાખજો and the wheat pushed through the ground. યાથી છે.
and
Began
began to
grow tall.
turn
Tall.
tall. When the wheat was remained
Ripe.
ripe, the little red hen. Who will cut this wheat?
The little red hen asked.
Carry the little red hen. Pig, not I.
કેમ તમે pig બોલો છો? He is the pig. ખુશાલ, not I બોલો.
Not I.
You need to memorize this. હું કહીશ ને કે તમે બોલો.
Pig, not I.
Pig નથી બોલવાનું. You are the pig. It is your dialogue.
Then I will.
Pig પછી કોણ છે? બોલો.
I'm not I. Number 4. Not I. After. Household here. Not I. Then I will.
Said the little red hen, Viraj.
Said the little red hen.
And she did.
And she did. When the wheat was all cut, the little red hen asked. When the
1 minute. Little red hen, no dialogue. That's why I'm saying.
who will
Stay alert.
make a cake from this fine wheat flour?
Who will take this wheat to the mill to be ground into flour? Page number 5. પ્લીઝ જરાક લોજિક વાપરો. પહેલાં તરત કેક ન બને. પહેલાં વીટને દળવા પડે, પછી આગળ શું છે? ફ્લોરને મિક્સ કરવો પડે.
Now who a mill to be ground into flour?
Pig,
બોલો.
not I.
Not I. Not I. Not I. Not I. Then I will. No. Mama કોઈ બોલવા જ નથી દેતી. Take the little red hen and she did. The little red hen
Returned
returned from the
mill
mill
carrying
carry a big of bean
carrying a small bag of fine white flour.
small bag
Of fine
of fine
white flour.
white flour. Who will make a cake of this fine white flour? She thought.
Asked. તમારે થઈ ગયું છે. વાય ડોન્ટ યુ રિમેમ્બર? પાછળ છે.
Asked the little red hen. Hello.
And not I. Narrator 5.
The pig.
Cat.
Not I. बोली क्या? Not I. Said the cat. Not I. Said the dog. Not I. Said the mouse. Little. मैम हाउस कौन है? हाउस हो गया. बोली गया. कितना केट हो गया छे. Mouse said the little red hen and she did. She gathered the stick and made a fire in the stove. Then she took milk.
ધો કાઢ નાખો. ધો કાઢ નાખજો.
She took milk and sugar and eggs and butter and mixed them a big
ઓકે ફાઇન બસ 1 મિનિટ એ પછી છે છેલ્લે છે આફ્ટર નરેટર્સ આર ડન નાઉ ઓકે નાઉ વી સ્ટોપ વી ડુ વન થિંગ વન બાય વન ઓલ ઓફ યુ કમ ટુ મી એન્ડ આઈ વિલ માર્ક યોર ડાયલોગ્સ ફોર યુ બીજું કંઈ એટલે યુ ડોન્ટ ફોરગેટ
મને બધી લેંગ્વેજ આવડે આ સિવાય
તો યાદ કરી લેજો
ઓકે